In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal from HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can keep your pipeline tidy with confidence. First, make sure you're in your HubSpot account and looking at the main navigation. On the left pane, find the CRM section and select Deals. This takes you to the Deals Index page, the table view where you can see deal names, amounts, stages, owners, and close dates. If you manage a lot of deals, this page is your command center, and it's the best place to take action on one or many records at once. Once you're on your list of deals, locate the specific deal you want to delete. It's worth taking a moment to confirm you've got the right one by glancing at the deal name, pipeline, and stage listed in the row. When you're sure, check the box next to that deal. As soon as you select it, a context bar appears at the top of the list. This bar is your bulk actions area, and it only shows up when you've selected one or more records. It includes options that apply to the selected deal, making it quick to take action without leaving the page. With the deal selected and the context bar visible, click Delete. That's the action that removes the deal from your pipeline. Deleting a deal is a straightforward way to clean up duplicates, test records, or deals that were created by mistake. It helps keep your reports accurate and your team focused on what's actually in play. A few helpful notes before you move on. Deleting a deal is a significant change, so be certain it's the correct record. If you work with a team, you might want to coordinate so no one is actively working that deal when you remove it. If you don't see the delete option, your user permissions may be limited. In that case, reach out to your admin to confirm access. Also, remember that once a deal is deleted, it will no longer appear in your pipelines or dashboards, and associated records will no longer show that deal on their timelines. That's all there is to it. To quickly recap, go to CRM on the left pane, choose Deals, check the box next to the deal you want to remove, and click Delete in the context bar. Simple, fast, and effective. If this helped you streamline your HubSpot workspace, be sure to keep your deal list current so your pipeline reflects exactly what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.